All right, so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to set up where the AI will filter and respond to emails if needed. It will mark them as spam if appropriate, or it will send them and tag your team. All right, and so this is using Fulcrum, which is our all-in-one marketing, sales, and CRM platform that's built on the HighLevel platform. All right, so let me share my screen and let's dive in. All right, so there's really just two steps with how we set these up. And you basically have the workflow in Fulcrum, and then you have a AI assistant. Um, and so here, if we use the AI assistant, now this is, uh, I've got a full prompt in here. I've tested it. I've got clients that are using this where it's literally just like you are an AI assistant that responds to emails, and so it's very short. You don't need a full response, but here, so tasks, conversation. Now, the other cool thing about this system is whether the contact sends in an email, whether they text in or call in, like the AI, we've set the AI up so that it has full conversational history, so it knows when and how it has interacted with that contact. Okay, and so again, we're just setting this up. This is the AI piece, pretty straightforward there. Key thing here is under the tools, we do want to go to version 2, and we want to be able to send email. This is the key thing. This way, the AI will send it here. So you can see here, it'll use create and send an HTML email to the user, which is how AI identifies the contact. And so that's the key tool there, allows it to send an email. Search the web this way. If the person emails in with a question that maybe the AI is not immediately trained on, they can always search the website and find the response as well. All right. Okay. So now let's hop over here. And again, this is in Fulcrum and it's in automations. And here I'm doing AI respond to email. And it's pretty straightforward. And there's a couple ways you can set this up. I like it to where essentially it's classifying the email. But here, so customer replied, apply channels email. It's the only function of this workflow in that one AI assistant. Now here, I am using ChatGPT here just because it's an easy step right here. I'm using 4.0 Mini just because it doesn't need to be super powerful. It's very cost efficient, and analyze the user's inbound email, determine if it's spam, marketing, junk, someone trying to sell something, etc. A legitimate general inquiry, in which case our AI assistant will respond, or someone on the team, a human, needs to respond if it's existing customer. So now I've just given it some more clarification here. After determining you respond with spam, AI, or team, you do not include any other characters, words, or phrases. I don't know if this part is necessarily needed. I just have, anytime, since I've been dealing with AI for, I don't know, 2 years, couple years, I just always put this if you want it to respond with just a single, very single thing, single word. And then we send the email. Here's the subject of the email. Here's the body of the email. And so the AI is analyzing it. It's responding with one word, spam, AI, or team. And so that's what this filter is. What type of email is it? Spam, AI, team. And then we're breaking it out. And so if it's spam, we're adding a spam tag. We're enabling do not disturb on all channels, so no communications will go out to that person. If the AI needs to respond, we add the tag. So our AI platform here is tag based. And so that tag is associated with this AI assistant. And so we add the tag, and then we're just giving it context. User has sent in an email with general inquiry. Craft an appropriate response, send back to the user via email. The response should be from person addressed in the email, if no specific person is addressed. Now, I will say, so this is kind of my original test one that I'm walking you through. The on most of my clients' ones that I've set up since then, I will put in there to don't just address the user, the contact's immediate question, but also try to address their larger question or information they're trying to get at. So basically, and then I put as a way to minimize back and forth emails or email responses from the contact. So if somebody's like, "Are you open at 5?" Say, "Are you open at 5 p.m.?" Rather than just a simple response like yes or no, which it may still give a full response and everything. But what I want it to do is say, like, no, but we are open, Monday through Friday from 8 to 4:30, or you can call us at this number. And so I do give, in the ones I've set up for clients, I've given a little more context here. But then, but again, here, now we're just passing the email. Here's the subject. Here's the body of the email. Here's our assistant ID. So now it picks it up. It looks at the tasks and everything, crafts an email, automatically sends it. And their email let me see. Oh, I may have deleted it. Oh, here we go. And so you can see here, this was the AI's email. Hi, Michael. I'm Ava, AI assistant. So very well. Basically, my question here, so you can see it. Can you tell me what you guys do? Also, who founded Scale Automatically? All right. Hey, Michael. I'm Ava, assistant. Scale Automatically does this. Company was founded. If you're curious, do this. Best regards. Right? Like it crafted that whole email by itself with just those simple prompts. All right. Very cool. Now you can set up something similar through like N8N for your, personal Gmail accounts and everything, but this is through the CRM. So emails coming into the CRM. As a recap, the AI is, or ChatGPT is analyzing it, determining if the email is spam, in which case it marks it as spam, so there's no more communications. If it's a general inquiry about the business, it tags it as AI, so the AI will then respond. And if it's something from a current client or a specific project or wants a proposal, something like that, then it marks it as team, and the team gets notified that there's an email that they need to check out and respond to. So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thanks.